In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot integration with QuickBooks Online. This connection can significantly streamline your workflow by allowing seamless data sync between these two powerful platforms. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot is a comprehensive platform that offers tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. It's robust, and by integrating it with QuickBooks, you can make your financial and customer data flow smoothly between your systems. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look up to the top right corner. You'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click that. This will direct you to the Sign-in page. Here, if you already have a Google account connected, it's easiest to click on Sign in with Google. You'll then select the appropriate account from the list that appears. This method not only saves you time, but ensures a secure transfer of your login credentials through Google's authentication. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, it's time to find the QuickBooks Online app in the HubSpot Marketplace. The simplest way to access the Marketplace is to use our provided link, which will take you directly there. Alternatively, you can navigate there from the HubSpot dashboard by clicking on the Marketplace link. When you're in the Marketplace, look for the Apps section. In the search bar, type QuickBooks. This search will yield a list of available integrations where you should see QuickBooks Online as a prominent option. Clicking on QuickBooks Online will bring you to the Apps page. Here, you'll want to locate the Install App button. Clicking this will start the process of adding the integration to your HubSpot account. Once the app is installed, the next step is to connect it to your QuickBooks Online account. You'll see a button labeled Connect to QuickBooks Online. When clicked, it will redirect you to QuickBooks' site for the necessary credentials. When you're redirected, you may need to log into your QuickBooks account if you aren't already. QuickBooks will verify your information to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Go through the authentication process, ensuring you read any prompts carefully to understand the permissions you're granting. This step is crucial as it allows HubSpot and QuickBooks to communicate securely and handle your data wisely. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on integrating HubSpot with QuickBooks Online. Remember, this integration is versatile, enabling better data management and streamlined processes both in your financials and your customer relationship management. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to watch our next video for more insights on optimizing your business tools.